Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. If the distribution to the penny exceeds the DNI, the excess amount is generally treated as what? Well, what's the purpose of the DNI? The purpose of the DNI is to say this is the maximum amount that the penny can be taxed on, and this is the maximum amount that the trust can deduct on line 18 as an income distribution deduction. So if the distribution exceeded this DNI, it could happen. If it happened, how do we treat this excess? Well, this excess is not taxable. First of all, it's not taxable. So taxable income to the penny, no. It's not a capital gain. It's a return of corpus, not taxable to the penny. That's what it is. It seems that we distributed money from stocks, bonds, other assets that already the trust paid taxes on, and now we're distributing in addition to the current income. Therefore, it's return of capital or return of corpus or return of principal, not taxable. Additional deduction to the trust, no. You cannot treat it as additional deduction. This is return of capital. This is not additional deduction. Now, on farhatlectures.com, you could ask the AI to explain what DNI is if you want to before you answer the question. And if you want, you can ask the AI to explain the correct and the incorrect answer, or you can ask Farhat AI to create a similar MCQ. What should you do? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, accounting student, go to Farhat Lectures for additional lectures, exercises, podcast, AI. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make. Good luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.